Welcome to a world where your kitchen garden thrives with fresh onions and garlic, harvested right from your home. What if I told you, you'll never need to buy onions or garlic from the market again? Yes, you can grow them right at home even if you don't have a garden. In this video, I'll show you a foolproof, beginner-friendly method to grow endless onions and garlic in pots, soil bags, or even plastic bottles. And trust me, once you try this, you'll never stop. Stick around because I'm dropping a genius tip at the end that makes them grow twice as fast. Alright, let's get started. All you need is sprouted garlic cloves, onion bulbs or kitchen scraps, well-draining potting mix, containers, grow bags or soil beds, and a sunny spot. Simple, right? Now here's the magic. Grab your garlic cloves, make sure the tips are sprouting or have a green shoot. Separate them gently without peeling. Now push each clove into the soil about 1 inch deep, pointy side up. Space them about 4 inches apart. Mix in a bit of wood ash or banana peel compost for bigger, juicier bulbs. Step 2. Prep your onions. For onions, either use small onion bulbs or cut the top third off a sprouted onion. Plant them root side down, just deep enough to cover the roots and base. Space them about 5 inches apart for the best growth. Step 3. Water and location. Water lightly but consistently. Keep the soil moist, not soggy. Place your containers where they get 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Pro tip: rotate the pots every few days to promote even growth. Step 4. Patience and care. In 7 to 10 days you'll see green shoots. Snip off the greens to use in cooking. They taste amazing and encourage the bulbs to grow bigger underground. Step 5. Harvesting time. Garlic is ready when the leaves start yellowing and drying, around 90 to 100 days. For onions, wait until the tops fall over naturally. Let them dry for a few days before storing. Secret hack: double the size. Once a month, sprinkle crushed eggshells or used coffee grounds around the plants. It boosts calcium and nitrogen, making your bulbs grow bigger, faster, and tastier. And that's it. Fresh homegrown onions and garlic, zero chemicals, zero market trips, 100% satisfaction. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'm sharing another backyard garden hack next week you won't believe. Watch this video next, grow tomatoes non-stop with this trick. Trust me, you'll thank me later.